Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and I'm going to give you an overview of this here solar powered. This is actually a solar powered fan, and to get right into it, this thing, as you can see, oscillates. So that's one of the many features of it. We'll just put it that way. So what you get is this, and then you also get a USB to USB-C because it can be charged that way, using that device. It also serves as a battery bank backup. And then it has a solar panel. Now, the solar panel here actually works. I was just testing it a little bit ago, and I'd say, and it really is subjected to how much sun exposure. But right now, as noted, the sun is in the face of the solar panel, and it's operating right now, as you can see. But I would say how fast it charges up to 100%. I don't know, like when the sun is like full blown right on it, I would say every couple minutes it gets like an extra percent. Just from my experience, if you're in a situation where the sun is like super bright, it might happen faster. It doesn't need to oscillate back and forth, and the solar panel here can be collapsed down like this, so you don't have to have it. Doesn't need to be in that oscillating mode. How to show the front side. There is we'll turn that off. So you can turn off with the display here. You can turn off the oscillation, so it's just going like that. It does have a couple light modes. So you got one light, a different light. So one's more of a natural light. One more like this is more of like a white light. Then to make it a little bit brighter, you could actually combine those, and then you have off. So you have like 4 settings, one being off. Then you also have a power here. It might be kind of hard to see. We'll zoom in there. There you go. You can kind of see it there. The center here is kind of like a glass face. And actually, there's a little icon. You can barely see it there. It lets you know if the solar panel charge is actually charging. So if you're getting some juice from the solar panel, it does have a percentage here. It's here, might be hard to kind of pick up, but a nice big display here that tells you how much juice you got left in this thing. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, 6 settings. And the breeze, pretty good breeze for sure. Very cool when like outdoors or somewhere where you want to have a little extra breeze flowing, especially where it's hot. Maybe you're in the shade, but it's just not, the breeze isn't coming your way. This thing gives off a good amount of breeze, a good bit of surface area. Here, kind of give an idea size-wise, how big it is. It's bigger than an adult hand, from a square footage standpoint. There's also some timers in there that you can set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 are the hours you can have it set to. So you can just kind of set it and forget it if that's what you want to do. Also, this will collapse down in this way. I wouldn't recommend using it this way because it can't really pull the air in. You really need to have it pulled. Pulled apart. There's a little button here on the side that will allow it to kind of open up, or you can like lock it in place. But if you were just going to use it without the fan, you would probably, in this situation, turn the fan off. And then if you wanted to use it as like a light. So if you're like camping or something, it does have a handle here to kind of carry like this. There's like the oscillation plate that's on the bottom. It's got these little rubber feet here to kind of keep it in place. All in all, let's just say effective as far as that, what you might be looking for. But the oscillation feature is kind of cool, especially if you have it on a table in a situation where you have like multiple people and you want to kind of put the breeze around. All in all, very good. Oh, and the construction of this is like a hard, kind of heavy gauge, hard plastic. This is sort of a rubber handle here, and yeah, very cool. Full disclosure, this company sent this to me. Said, Ron, can you do a little tutorial, a little overview? Tell us what you think about our solar panel light fan. Hopefully, any and all your questions got answered. I will talk to you soon.